that is also dangerous. Maybe proudly, if you keep the 3 vows, not much compassion. And okay, I kept these 3 vows. Then I'm kind of superior. I'm good. And then it's like we haven't got any renunciation for the suffering of the samsara. That is like a kind of the determined mind to free yourself from the 3 words. Determined. I want to really make freedom from the samsara suffering. Samsara is not existence. And generally speaking, when we say, I want to be free from the samsaras, many people are thinking it's a place, because this talking about the hell animals, this talking about human, hunger ghosts, animals. The reality is, if you really do researching, the place is never existence. Place is like a cloud. Plate is the rainbow. Plate, universes, continent, and the solar systems. I don't know, solar or solar systems. They are like cloud. Something conditions appeared, something is disappeared. Nothing truly existence. These realms are the reality. It's our own individual karmic appearances, phenomena, according to the habitual tendencies. Until we destroy the negative habitual tendencies, which is produce the realm of the hell, hunger ghosts, animal realms, how we can to destroy it? How we can to make free? Impossible. And inner habitual, negative habitual tendencies, there is completely eradicated. This karmic and the phenomena outside automatically disappeared. Therefore, if we really want to make the free from the samsaras, we need to change our behaviors and body, speech, minds, and to clean up the negative habitual tendencies. That is the obvious. If we don't make like this, inside like a kind of negative habitual tendencies, the doer of the negative emotions, to continue work the negative emotions, to put the tendencies, habitual forming imprinting, like a kind of the doing more and more. And then there is, we can to say, propelling habitual tendencies and propelled habitual tendencies. This propelling habitual tendencies we are doing now, right now. Propelled habitual tendencies is present our situation right now. It is like something is like we have like arranged outside. We saw the human realms. We see many form, colorful, and sound, smells. But it's difficult to say existence. But this is already propelled by in the periods, our like body, speech, minds. And now it's like we are propelling to the next step. And next our karmic appearances, how it will be. This is need to our own individual responsibilities. And in the Buddhist perspective, there are many different methods. For example, generating bodhicitta, to have the great view of the supreme empty nature, and visualizations. Look, we can to say the visualization, those the deities. This is like when we visualize, they are not truly existence. Those are as the humans, and they become the enlightenment. They have this kind of appearances. We first time to thinking like this, this is enlightened appearances. We have like this and a little bit inner, like poses, habitual tendency, changing poses. New we put in habitual forming, propellings, like this one is a kind of positive. Positive form, positive sentient beings, like Ndaka and Dakinis, like Buddha and Bodhisattvas. And we have these ideas, it's propelling our mind, wonderful. And landscape, environment, everything is. And slowly to develop, we're talking about the dissolutions. And one day, disappeared. And creation coming like this again and again. And one is like our mind is like more understander of the realities. Then we don't need any visualizations. We approach more in the nature, in the Buddha nature, the mind is, and to already like the propellings, tendencies forming is good. Each step by steps, the propelled, developed appearances. Then is artificial, this kind of visualization we don't need. But visualizations is like kind of changing quickly process of our like tendencies. Therefore, like this, and without something compassion or concerning to keep some arrogantly, proudly, and negatively, even to keep the 3 vows, maybe it can create more cause of the samsara. May you be able to strive day and night to do good with body, speech, mind. That is the crucial point. And it's like a please to say, Buddha and Bodhisattvas, darling, love. And can you do a little bit day and night? Good, you to change. It's like kind of positive way. Good behaviors and good characteristics. Day and night, good body, good speech, good mindset. And ask to begin to us. But for example, if we can to keep the strange characteristics, very much negative behaviors, and what Buddha and Bodhisattvas can do. And for example, we can to say, parents, your lovely families, maybe good compassion, your families, they expect to us to become the good person. And when we become the good person, the family is very happy. But we keep our own characteristics, very bizarre. Don't recognize never to say, I'm okay. Don't tell me nothing. And like this. One is my friend, and is coming to the teaching times, sometimes to lie in the front of the people, and to make a nice bed, and then is put the pillow, and then is sleep. Say, now you're going to teach to me, huh? Because then I have very nice intention to use. And many years I didn't say nothing. Okay. And one day we more close. Do you think your characteristic good? Why not? Because this is my position. This is I need it. Who can to take care? I think it's maybe those are very kind, but maybe you go to behind theirs, make nice bed and to do this. No, I want to be front here. Who's angry? Which kind of problems? And then one day we got close. It's not my girlfriend, okay? And argue. Do you understand the behaviors? And this person, okay, and saying, my daughter, my sons, they don't want to talk to me. I have good experience. I have good knowledge. I want to share to them. They don't listen to me. They think I'm very bad. I said, exactly, your children are correct. She was shocked, angry. Why you say like this? You think it's yourself is the perfect characteristic. I am parents, I need to give you advice. Look your behaviors, look your characteristics. Who can to accept that? If you coming, now we are good friend, you do not become angry. You coming close, first time I was shocked, your behaviors. Oh really? Oh yes. If you want to be good relationship, your son and the daughters, you should to change yourself. Maybe your daughter, maybe your son has best behaviors, maybe very good education, more than you. They understand more than you. Then they see your characteristics, they cannot correct you. They just to say, what can we do? Like our parents like this, mother or the father. And if their children say some, Ma, Dad, don't do like this, they say, hey, we are parents. Shut up, don't say me. Say. Like this, sometimes we do not understand characteristics. Like these situations to look at. Now, for example, we say when you receive the Dharma teachings, each moment to have the mindfulness, to correct, good, to making the good body, good speech, good minds. Even we can to say, if you are young, if you are searching for the partner, good boyfriend, good girls, then if you want to find something good, you should to change the behaviors. Absolutely, I would to say it's like, and I have this often I'm saying experience. In my village, there is one lady, enormous ugly. Even you searching in this wood, maybe you couldn't find that ugly lady. But when she was childhood, very much respect person, and very much humble, very much respect to the. It's everybody's talking about, and the parents first time a little bit scaring. Our daughters grow up, maybe we can't find a good husband because she's so ugly. And she's more and more grow up. She never lack of the boyfriend or the husband. Everybody is running after us. Why? We need not outer beauty or the handsomes. We need beauty and handsome inside. Someone is like behaviors, not looking good, not looking beautiful. Absolutely, it's truth for me exactly. I'm looking like myself very bad, but it's, like someone has good compassionate body, compassionate verb, compassionate like a kind of heart, it's like this, wow, it's immediately want to talk, immediately to be the closed, like this. But someone's very beautiful, someone's very handsome, very rich, very like kind of like this, but selfish, very strange, very arrogant, very kind of the selfish, like this, and say bye-bye, never coming close. For myself like this, but I think it's many people's. Researching say the good people, I need to find a good, say, compassionate, not a kind of changeable, deceptive beauty or deceptive like the handsome self. That is like behaviors, positive body, positive verb, positive mind. It's absolutely truth. We need to change ourselves. We say it's like truth. Others don't change. Look, there's others change or not change. It's not our responsibility. We need to change ourselves. Sometimes in Tibet communities, sometimes criticize. Yes, this lama, like this monk, this person, criticize. But then it's like you turn yourself, this critical person itself, you look, are you perfect? Not at all. Doing, acting, characteristics, not. But then why you criticize? Why not? And this kind of, then it's not correct. Like this, if we to change day and night, mindfulness, how is my body? It is good, positive. How about my verb? It is good, it is positive. How's my mind is way of the thingy? Positive, good, That is, we need mindfulness. And doing like this, then there are the development. It's like a kind of never stay one place. We are going too high. There's 100% guarantee. But unless you know how to dedicate the merit to perfect enlightenment, 2 or the 3 wrong thoughts are enough to destroy it entirely. Then it's like if we kind of doing the virtual things, but reality is like difficult to dedicate it, and then it's like the 2 kind of the training, 2 or the 3 wrong thoughts are enough to destroy to entirely. And it's like a kind of you day and night strive for the positive things, and also you should to dedicate that. If you do not dedicate it, maybe desire attachment, maybe anger, maybe ignorant, through this kind of thoughts it can destroy it. And in this perspective, in the Dharma teaching says, you need application of bodhicitta, you need non-conceptualization, you need dedication. These supreme methods enhance or embrace these 3 supreme methods to your virtue, your positive body, your positive verb, your positive mindset. Then it's very good, you need to do like this. You may be teachers and the meditators, and full of the petty and learning, unless your mind are turned away from the 8 ordinary concern. Whatever you do will only before this present life, and you will not encounter the path that help for the future lives. And it's like the takchare and the noran that you undo. Ala. Porque check chisond. Selling. They don't come to not just salad. Kipa, Zamba, don't come, Selemardo. Meditation of the petty and learned, but unless your mind are turned from the continuous concerning, whatever you do will only be the present life, and you will encounter the powers of the help for the futures. Meditate and teachers. I think to meditate on I'm just to say, it's like there's meditation, and teachers and the meditations. Teachers, meditations, fully of the petty and learned. Petty is, how do you say it? This is petty or purity? Piety, I think. Piety means it's like kind of the disciplined. It is a kind of like this. Okay, I may say it's like in Tibet. Sorry, and they say the teachers, but maybe it's the teachers. Why they say the teachers? And that's okay. You come to say you may rely on the teachers. Maybe we come to say, and also you are meditate teachers' pit instruction, and also you are full of the kind of the follow up your discipline, like piety, and it's like how do you say it? you really is like a disciplined. How do you say? It's like really you follow, doing everything. It's like kind of educated person. And also you are learned, and like treat Pitakas, and all the like you understand. But unless your mind are turned away from the 8 ordinary concerns, 8 like there's a concerning, and like a kind of if you find very happy, if you can't find, you are suffering. If you become the famous, you are very happy. If you are not become the famous, you are like kind of sad. And also it's like you get the high position, you are very happy. You can't get high position, you are suffering. Like this kind of, there's the 8 ordinary concerning. The 8 worldly, they're like a kind of concerning. And then it's your mind is not really taming positive way. And your mind is needed tame in the positive way. Compassion, wisdom, and beneficial way. But here is like you are quite rely on the teacher, but you are concerning the 8 ordinary concerns. But you are meditating and deity or pity instructions and like this, but still you are concerning 8 worldly. And also it's like you are kind of pretty disciplined, like looks like educated and very nice. I make a joke, and you go to in Switzerland, and when you are aware of the eating, there's 3 forks, 3 spoon, 3 knife, and then is 3 type of the pellets, and then is each one is you made mistake, they say not educated. And you, which one you pick up after you need to never eat like this, you know. It put like this and put, slowly you need to. Very looks like, there is the problems, education. But this kind of discipline, okay, nice, you know, in our society, but I don't know, it is the really benefit. Okay, worldly, but this is like someone is looks like really doing perfect. Use very word, but inside, you know, they are very good business. And to how to earn money, how to get the job, how they can to, you know, it's like to make the self-benefit and thinking about the traders. Like this kind of, someone's really follow the Dharma, rely on the teacher, meditating, looks like really disciplined, but you know, eating like Dharma food, but inside the concerning, like 8 worldly concerning. Then it's not very good, it says. And concerning, whatever you do will only be for the present lives and present situations. It is not thinking the past, not thinking the futures, and not just presently. Also, it's like not thinking the, you know, what we're doing, and just to how I can to well be, you know, well be, good to, happy, comfortable, successful. This kind, of course, you need, but more concerning the compassion, the virtue. You will not encounter the path that help for the future life. Is very difficult. This is illustrated how important it is to be taken under the care of the teacher and spiritual friend. Yes, that is like this. And also maybe we can just stop 5 minutes.